Hello everybody, we're going to learn how to use GraphQL to send a notification email to your users when there is a new post on the site. So let's start. Here on GraphQL we have the persistent queries, and there's a persistent query for sending notification to your users. Let's search for it, send email, I type there, and here at the bottom we have one called send email to users about post. So this is a predefined persistent query. It is already on the plugin when you install it, and what this persistent query does is, given a post, provided its ID, it will fetch its data, the content, the title, and the URL of the post, and it will fetch the users of the site, first all of them, and then we can select just a few. We're going to see this in a few moments, and it will send an email to all of them with a content that we can compose. Here we can use Markdown to compose the content of the email, and this is personalized for all of your users. So it's hi and the display name of the user. There is a new post on the site. Here is the title of the post and linking to the post, and finally the content. This is going to be the email. So let's see that this works. We have MailPit on this and on this site to trap all of the emails, and we can pass here the post ID of a post that we have. This is the Hello World post, and when we execute this, we see here on MailPit it has sent 6 emails to all of the users on my site. So for instance, here this one says, hi blogger Davenport. There is a new post on the GraphQL Playground website, Hello World, with the link to the post on the site. There we go, and the content. Of course, we can customize this. If we want to send a different notification email, let's say that we don't want the link and we want to have this as a header, let's just do this, and we execute this again. Now what will happen, let's see, is that now this is an H1, and once again we can customize it, and all of the emails are customized for every one of your users. And the other thing that we have is that we can select not all of your users, but maybe just a few. In this case, we have the way to filter by user meta. So we have a key email list, and we have the value new post. Whenever a user has the entry new post in the email list meta, we will select only those users. In this case, I have only 3, so let's execute this. And here we had 9, now we have 12, as we have just seen. So it has sent once again the email to only 3 users with that meta. So let's remove this and update. And now we're going to automate the process so that whenever there is a new post on your site, it automatically sends this notification. Let's delete this. There we go. And now we have automation rules, and also there is an automation rule that is created by GraphQL Pro. It's called send notification email to users when there is a new post. It's on draft initially, so we will need to publish this. This one I have just published it, but you don't have it by default, so you need to publish it. And what this automation rule does is, whenever there is a post that is on draft and then it goes to publish, execute this persistent query, send email to users about post, the one that we were just looking at. So let's do exactly that. We will create a new post. Let's say, hi everyone, how are you today? And let's add an image, media library. Here we go. Let's add this image, select, and we save it as draft. And when we publish now, that hook will be executed, and we are intercepting the hook and executing the persistent query. As we have seen just now, this went to 3. There's a new post on the site, and this is exactly what we have done. We are sending a notification automatically on the site to all of the different users on your site. Okay, I hope that you have enjoyed this. Thank you.